Hello students, welcome to my channel Anna's tutorial. Today's topic is a letter writing. Write a letter to your friend advising him or her to maintain physical fitness regularly. My dear friend, I hope you are doing well. I want to advise you to maintain physical fitness regularly, as it is very important for your health and studies. Regular physical exercise keeps our body strong and healthy. It improves our energy levels and helps prevent many health problems. A balanced diet plays a big role. Eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and proteins gives our body the nutrients. At the same time, it is best to limit junk food because it can lead to weight gain and other health issues. Last, staying hydrated by drinking enough water every day keeps our body functioning well. Water helps in digestion and keeps our skin healthy too. If you can follow these habits, regular exercise, balanced diet, enough sleep, staying hydrated, and avoiding too much junk food, you feel healthier and more energetic every day. Take care and let me know how it goes. Your friend, own name, friend's address. Thank you for watching. Stay with me and like, share, subscribe.